Hi, Crompo.
And Jess here.
Meguiar's is world famous for car detailing products for fussy people who are proud of what they drive.
The shine you get with these specialised cleaners, polishers, waxes and premium accessories is legendary. For every surface on the car and even around the house, the results are stunning.
Naturally, we trust Meguiar's to look after our pride and joy. So today, we're here to talk about the latest and greatest from this iconic car enthusiast brand. Excellence and innovation has always been at the heart of Meguiar's, but these days it's the astounding ease of use that'll grab your attention first.
You won't believe products this easy to use can have such a high level of performance, and they smell great too, Crompo. So let's take a look at what's new from Meguiar's.
Meguiar's ultimate glass cleaner and water repellent is a two-in-one formula that combines excellent glass cleaning ability with a special hydrophobic treatment that repels water. It's great for windscreens, rear glass and headlights, as well as driver assist cameras and sensors.
You get crystal clear results with significantly improved vision in rainy conditions, something you'll really notice when you're driving at night, Crompo.
And not only is the vision better, but all the surfaces you clean and treat will stay cleaner for longer and make residue easier to remove the next time around. It's quick and easy to apply on the go, so take a bottle with you when you're off-roading or on a long road trip.
And for best application results, get yourself a twin pack of these wonderful Meguiar's microfiber no smear glass cloths. It makes all the difference. That's another great Meguiar's new product we're sure you'll love.